Here we have to find the following. A particular fruit's weights are normally distributed with a mean of 471 grams and a standard deviation of 11 grams. The heaviest 7% of fruits weigh more than how many grams? Give your answer to the nearest gram. Okay, first thing to notice is we thankfully have normal distribution, so we can use our normal probability table. But our mean is not 0 and standard deviation 1. In this case, the mean is, let me highlight this, the mean is 471 and the standard deviation is 11. So we're going to be using the following formula. Z equals x minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. Okay. Second thing, so that'll normalize our data for us. The second thing is, this problem says that the heaviest 7% of fruits weigh more than how many grams? So if you're thinking about your normal probability curve, let's say it looks like this, the heaviest 7% would be the area to the right over here being 7%, so 0.07. Now, if we want to use our normal probability table, remember this always gives us the area to the left. So to find the corresponding z value, we would need to find the z value that corresponds to this area to the left, which would be the z that goes with 1 minus 0.07, or 0.93. This would be the area to the left. Okay, so the critical z value that we'll get, if we look at our table here, so let me get the pointer. Let's see, closest we can find to 0.93. So 0.91. Oh, here we go. 9292 and 9306. So somewhere in the middle there. Now, I'm doing this one intentionally without a graphing calculator for anybody that doesn't have one. So somewhere in between here, we're going to have to do our best estimate. So let's see, I just lost it. There it is. It's somewhere between here, which would be definitely Z 1.4, and then somewhere between 7 and 8. So we're going to say, how about 1.475? Now, most of your instructors, your online math programs will have a tolerance built in. If you did z equals 1.47, 1.48, anything in the middle, it would accept that as a correct answer. So I'm going to use this z value. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to plug in that for our z. So 1.475 equals the x value, which we don't know. Whoops, I'm sorry. Go away. The x value we don't know, minus the mean, which is 471, divided by the standard deviation, which is 11. So our mean is 471, and our standard deviation is 11. Okay, multiply both sides by 11, and we get 16.225 equals x minus 471, and then adding 471 to both sides, we get x equals 487.225. Now remember, always pay attention to the directions. So this says give your answer to the nearest gram. So instead of putting this decimal in, I would just put 487 grams.